Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another lightning lesson from Repercussion Drum School. I'm Ian Faraday. Today's lesson is going to be about linear patterns. Now, a linear pattern is where no two beats are being played at the same time. So for instance, would not be a linear pattern because I'm playing the toms at the same time as the snare. So this linear pattern that I'm going to show you today is 2 on the hands and 2 on the feet. So you're looking for that to be as even as you can make it. You know, you don't want it's got to be really solid between the hands and the feet. So after this, what I'm going to do is play this as an 8th note fill. So it's just going to be 1 bar of groove, 1 bar of fill like this. But this really starts to come to life when you start to play it as 16th notes. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and taking it around the kit. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. So here it is with 1 bar of groove, 1 bar of fill. And taking it around the kit. After that, really, it's up to you to play whatever orchestration you like of this. As long as you're playing the pattern 2 in the hands, 2 in the feet, you can take this around the kit. Obviously the bass drum has to stay where it is, that can't go moving around, but we can move the hands all over the place. Okay, we won't make mistakes, and the idea of these lightning lessons is that what goes into the camera stays in the camera, so I'm going to leave the mistakes in there. I think the important thing to do with this is just to experiment it, make it your own. You will come up with particular orchestrations that you like, and it's worth, when you get those, just making a note of the ones that you want to keep. And when I'm practicing these, I like to play 3 bars of groove and then a bar of fill, but while I'm playing the groove, I like to think of what kind of orchestration am I going to do underneath that, and with the idea of not repeating myself in a particular orchestration so that it forces me to be creative. That's the little thing I like to do, and I found it really helps me to explore the possibilities with a pattern like this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this lightning lesson, and if you have, I'll do another one about playing this 2 on the hands, 2 on the feet, but maybe start to take that to triplet 16th notes and maybe 32nd notes as well. Anyway, let me know, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.